I wanted to make this video answering some common questions I get on my YouTube channel. Let's go. Okay, the first question. Can anyone guess what this is gonna be? Anybody? Crickets? Not you guys, I'm not asking you guys. What camera do you use? Which camera do you use? What camera is that girl holding? What is she using? So the answer is the Canon 5D Mark III. Okay, so the next question I get is, what lens is that? So I use the 24-70 for a lot of fashion street style pictures, and then I use my 50 1.2 for my portraits, and these are both Canon lenses. Another question I get, what is your accent? Okay, so I guess, I don't know, I feel like Scooby-Doo's gonna come out of his van like rah rah or something. Okay, my parents are Lebanese. They were born and raised in Lebanon in the Middle East, and I grew up in Detroit around an Arab community. So I feel like it's the Arab Midwest accent. I don't know where this comes from. Growing up, my first language was Arabic, so I don't know if that also plays a role into my accent. I don't know, couldn't tell you. That's all I do. I guess some of you guys see I sound like J-Lo. Other people get mad and they're like, no, she doesn't sound like J-Lo. I'm not trying to be J-Lo, I'm J. Cole. Which is a huge compliment. Thank you. She's a goddess, so I'll be Jessica from the block if you need me to be. So yeah. Next question. So this question I get so often. I think I'm gonna like tattoo it. So what camera should I buy? There are so many different types of cameras, different types of lenses that you can buy and you can use. So when people ask me this, I always have to ask them, you know, what kind of photography are you doing? And I know that when you're first starting out in photography, there are so many cameras, it's very overwhelming. You don't really know where to start. My personal recommendation, the Rebel series, if you're first starting out and you don't want to spend a lot of money. The camera I first started out with was the Canon 60D, and I absolutely loved it. And I really do want to help you guys, but I've only ever used like 2 cameras. If you're trying to take pictures of your cat and your baby, I'm not gonna recommend you a $5,000 camera. You know what I mean? The one I bought, the 60D, was like $700. So check it out, and I think that's a good, that's a respectable starting camera. There you go, it's a healthy camera. And you make X video into a series. So every time I post a video that you guys really seem to enjoy, all of you guys comment saying, oh, please make this into a series. I 100% always look into the comments, and I listen to your feedback, and I like to see what you guys like. So definitely, if you know you guys want me to make something into a series, I definitely listen to that. And I know most recently for the strangers video, you guys really like that. You want me to make a part 2, so I'm actually working on it. So definitely, I really love and I respect your feedback. So I just want to thank you guys. I'm so happy you guys liked it because I was super nervous filming it. So yeah, definitely look out for part 2. If you like a certain video that I do and you want me to make more of them, always comment or send me a message because I really do love to read them, and I really do like to listen to what you guys have to say. Okay, so the last question is, how do you make money? I work as a wedding photographer. I do engagement photography. I used to do senior pictures and all that other stuff, although I stopped doing that because now I'm trying to focus more on both weddings and just my YouTube videos. And I'm planning some workshops, so I have more than one source of income. I'm trying to pursue YouTube more seriously, as you know, as much as I can, but I still want to have my job as a wedding photographer. So those are just some common questions. If you have a question that you'd like to ask me for my next video, comments below. Thank you guys, and have a great evening or day or night or summer, wherever, whatever it is where you live, because over here it's winter and it's depressing. So hopefully it's over 4 degrees where you are. God bless.